Adya?
This is his coin.
Very good. This is floating or sinking,
Sink.
or this is light or heavy?
Heavy.
Very good. Second,
Floating.
very good. Is this heavy or light?
Light.
Very good. What is this?
This is dice.
Good.
This is floating.
Very good. Is this heavy or light? Light. Very good.
Good morning, everyone. I am Manasvi Sharma. I read in KG class. Now I tell you how to wash your hands. There are 6 steps. Suman ke. As for soap, ungli, muthi, angutha, nails, kalai. उंगली, मुट्ठी, अंगूठा, nails, कलाई. How to wash your hands?